Hello, and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how I made a Bluetooth stereo portable hands-free speaker. We need 2 Wati 4-ohm speakers, a Bluetooth receiver, a simple switch, a 3-watt amplifier module, and 2 lithium-ion batteries. The more batteries you put, the longer the operating time will increase, but the charging time will also increase. I took them out of a laptop battery and 2 PVC pipes. We're going to cut the edge at the ends to put the loudspeaker. This is the PVC pipe sealing gasket that we use to catch the loudspeaker. We cut the second pipe at the end to have the support of the second speaker. The pipe support we cut it to make it shorter. To paste the PVC pipes, we use an electric hot air. Do not forget, like and subscribe. Now we're going to make connections between the Bluetooth module, batteries, switch and speakers. To charge the lithium-ion batteries, we will use the charging chip from the Bluetooth battery. This is the charge chip. If you do not use this protective chip called PCB BMS protection board, there is a good chance that batteries will get damaged. The schematic will show you how to connect to the battery and the charger. Isolate the connections to avoid a short circuit. This is the audio amplifier board schema in which you must observe the polarity. We make 2 holes through which the wires will pass to the Bluetooth module, and a hole to the switch. And now let's test it. Thank you for watching. And do not forget, like and subscribe.